सबै ठिकै लाग्छ जब तिमी भन्ने गर्छौ यस्तो नै हुँदो रहेछ माया भने तर सबै ठिकै लाग्छ जब तिमी भन्ने गर्छौ यस्तो नै हुँदो रहेछ माया भने यो माया भने के हो तिमीबाट
Well, greetings everyone, what's up? This is Addie here and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing well and thank you so much guys for watching my videos. In case if you're here for the first time on my YouTube channel, a quick reminder before we start this reaction that my name is Addie. I'm from India. I make reaction videos to promote local artists from different parts of the globe, and I've been reacting to a lot of amazing Nepali bands from India and also from Nepal, and it's truly an amazing feeling, man, to check out and promote the work of all these beautifully talented Nepali musicians that we have in this part of the world. And having said that, with a very heavy heart, I want to check out another song of Tribal Rain. This is Nariswana. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, guys, and I really apologize if my pronunciation is not correct. I believe this is a Nepali track by Tribal Rain, and I think I have just reacted to another track of Tribal Rain. It's been more than 1 year or so, and ever since then I really did not had the courage to make a reaction video for this, guys. Not because I did not like the music, it's just because I felt really disappointed and sad that the amazing musician Rahul Rai is no more with us. And I don't know what should I be saying, man. It's kind of really disappointing the way sometimes I think about Chester Bennington or Jamir Garcia of Slapshock, another new metal band from Philippines, and some of the amazing musicians. When I think about them, I just feel so sad. There is another artist called Raymond from Burma, amazing metal musician. He is no more in this world. He was just 31. And when I think of Rahul Rai and these amazing musicians, they have left behind their song, and the way people can still connect with it. Forget about me, forget about any random YouTubers like us who are making reaction videos. When I see the comments of people who loves Tribal Rain, or who loved or who still loves Rahul Rai, the kind of emotions they pour into when they're writing some comments, really makes me feel sad. I don't know what should I be doing. And today, as I'm making this reaction video, I'm just trying my best to pay a tribute by listening to his songs. It's just that I'm not worried about whether people are watching my video or not. Even if I'm getting more subscribers, even people are doing so, it feels really, I don't know what should I say. I don't really want to run after views or comments on making reaction videos for Tribal Rain. I know there are a lot of people who loves Tribal Rain, and if I simply keep making reaction videos just for the sake of it, I may get a lot of subscribers and a lot of views, but well, you just cannot play with people's emotion when it comes to music. And Addie Reacts is like a channel for me that is really close to my heart. I give my heart and soul out to promote the work of musicians, irrespective of whatever language they're speaking. When I don't really care about the stereotype that you have to listen to songs for the language that you know. No, I don't care about it. I have never cared about the language barrier, and I'll even in future also I don't care. But just because I'm getting a lot of views for the reaction that I made for the first one, I simply could not make a reaction video. It took me some time, almost more than a year, to finally come here to make a video to check out, to be honest, this song. I have not even checked out this song. I have no clue about how this song sounds. But I know I spoke a lot, guys. I really wanted to clear the air of why I did not make any reaction videos for Tribal Rain after the first one. I have seen so many of the Nepali music listeners or audience who loves Tribal Rain commented on my other videos, like, requesting me to react to Tribal Rain, but I could not, man. It's just that it disappoints me. It really makes me feel emotional, and I really don't want to. Sometimes you don't feel like sharing your emotions to the world, right? You guys have been listening to Tribal Rain probably from the inception of the band, and you guys can connect more than me. But then it doesn't mean that you want to express everything that you're going through in your mind, right? Sometimes you just want to keep everything within yourself, right? So I don't know. Let's enjoy the song of Tribal Rain and pass on the legacy of Rahul Rai, and the band is still there, I know. So let's pass on the legacy of this amazing band. So there we go, guys. Tribal Rain. We are ready, guys. Really excited. And I'll share all the information of Tribal Rain on the description of this video. Seriously, guys, I don't know how I'm making this reaction video, but it's really disappointing when you see that such a talented, amazing musician is no more with us. And I don't run after subscribers or views just to make fun of someone's emotions, just to take an advantage of someone's emotion and make videos. I don't know if I will be making more reaction videos for Tribal Rain, but let me just react to it and remember that Tribal Rain's music will be there with us forever. So there we go.
Narisawna, timi bina mero jiwan shunnya cha. Narisawna, timi ne ho mero एउटा सपना. तिम्रो लागि मैले संसारलाई भुलिदिए. तिम्रो लागि म आफै जिउन भुलिदिए. आँखामा आँसु तिम्रो साउँदैन. खै मैले त माया लाउनु जानेन रहेछु. हामीले सँगै बिताएका दिन अनि यादहरू एउटा सपना सम्झिन भुलिदिनु. यो माया भने के हो तिमीबाट थाहा पाएँ मैले. मदेखि टाढा नजा बिर्सिसके आफैलाई तिम्रो लागि, तिम्रो लागि. Narisawna, अब निकालिदेऊ यो एक्लोपनदेखि. सुखमा हाँसी दुःखमा रोइदेऊला तिम्रो लागि. Narisawna, तिमीलाई मेरो याद आउनेछ. मन दुखाए पनि यो मन नतोडिदेऊ. आँखामा आँसु तिम्रो साउँदैन. खै मैले त माया लाउनु जानेन रहेछु. हामीले सँगै बिताएका दिन अनि यादहरू एउटा सपना सम्झिन भुलिदिनु. तर सबै ठिकै लाग्छ जब तिमी भन्ने गर्छौ यस्तो नै हुँदो रहेछ माया भने तर सबै ठिकै लाग्छ जब तिमी भन्ने गर्छौ यस्तो नै हुँदो रहेछ माया भने यो माया भने के हो तिमीबाट थाहा पाएँ मैले मदेखि टाढा नजा बिर्सिसके आफैलाई तिम्रो लागि यो माया भने के हो तिमीबाट थाहा पाएँ मैले मदेखि टाढा नजा बिर्सिसके आफैलाई तिम्रो लागि तिम्रो लागि
I seriously don't know, man. There's something in his vocals, man. The composition of the song is brilliant. The mixing and mastering is brilliant. I hope wherever you are, brother, you're resting in peace. I don't think so. I want to add anything. The song is brilliant, and this will become a legendary song, or probably it has already become a legendary song, but it's too good, man. Life is really tough at times, and I know half of you probably don't know me in person or what I feel about musicians. I wish there was an option to, open my heart or let the world know what I feel about all these musicians that I react to. And as I'm making a reaction video for Rahul Rai, brother, I wish I could explain you guys how I felt so disturbed and sad after knowing that he is no more. But man, he was really a talented musician, man. I usually don't make such videos where I feel really sad and my heart is broken, but what an amazing stuff, man. What an amazing stuff. I just hope that wherever you are, brother, you are at peace now finally, and I wish and I hope that Tribal Rain continues to make good music and inspire the world. I don't understand the lyrics, but sometimes you don't need to understand the lyrics. The vocals, the range, the emotions of the song brings out the best of any band or any musician, and that's what I felt about Rahul Rai and Travel Train as a band. And I wish the band a very prosperous, year ahead. May they continue to rise and shine. And wherever you are, Rahul Rai, and to all his loved ones and family members and fans, that I hope you guys will continue to pass on his legacy of music and whatsoever he has done so far. And with this note, guys, I end this vlog. It was really a difficult reaction video to make, guys. I hope you understand. You can share your comments on this YouTube video. Probably Tribal Rain fans can connect with each other, and if there is anything that I can do, you can always let me know in the comment section, guys. So thank you, stay safe, and keep supporting your local artist. Rock on, rest in peace, brother Rahul Rai. Thank you.